Have you ever asked your phone for the weather? Or maybe you've seen a movie where a robot talks and thinks just like a person. Well, that's all thanks to something called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Think of it this way: intelligence is what we humans use to learn, solve puzzles, and understand the world. We build machines like computers to do amazing things. When we give those machines the ability to learn and think for themselves, that's artificial intelligence. It's like teaching a computer to have its own brain. It's not a human brain, of course, but it's a way for machines to act smart, and that is a pretty big deal for science and technology. So, what can these smart machines actually do? They can do a lot of the same things our brains can do. For example, AI can learn from experience. If you show an AI thousands of pictures of cats, it can learn to spot a cat in a new picture all by itself. AI can also understand what we say. When you talk to a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa, the AI inside is figuring out your words and what you mean. It can even solve very tricky problems, from playing a complex game like chess to helping scientists discover new medicines. AI is all about making machines that can perceive, reason, and act. The reason AI is so important today, on June 9, 2025, is that it's everywhere, and it's changing our world faster than a rocket launch. Understanding AI helps us understand the technology that is shaping our lives. It's in the apps we use, the cars we might ride in, and the way businesses work. By learning about it, we can be better prepared for the future. We can help make sure that this powerful tool is used in ways that help everyone. Knowing how AI works isn't just for scientists in a lab, it's for all of us. It's about being an informed citizen in a world that is becoming more and more digital every single day. Think about it. The goal is not to replace human intelligence, but to help it. Imagine a doctor having an AI assistant that can look at thousands of medical scans in just a few seconds to find signs of a disease. This could help the doctor make a diagnosis much faster and more accurately. That's the power of AI. It can handle huge amounts of information and perform tasks at incredible speeds, giving humans more time to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and caring for each other. AI is a tool, and like any tool, the more we understand it, the better we can use it to build a better tomorrow. Consider the possibilities. When scientists talk about AI, they often put it into three main categories or types based on how smart it is. The first and most common type is called narrow AI, sometimes called weak AI. This is the AI we have right now. It's designed to be really good at one specific task. For example, the AI that suggests what movie you should watch next on a streaming service is a narrow AI. It knows a lot about movies, but it can't drive a car or write a poem. Your phone's digital assistant is another great example. It's fantastic at setting alarms and searching the internet, but it can't have a deep conversation about your feelings. The next type is what scientists are working toward. It's called Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This is the kind of AI you often see in science fiction movies. AGI would be a machine with the ability to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to solve any problem, just like a human being. It wouldn't be limited to just one job. An AGI could write a symphony, discover a scientific theory, and make you a cup of coffee. We are not there yet. Creating an AI with the flexible, common-sense reasoning of a human is one of the biggest challenges in all of science. It's a fascinating goal that drives a lot of research. Finally, there's the third type, which is still theoretical. It's called Artificial Superintelligence, or ASI. This would be an AI that is much smarter than the smartest humans in every possible way. It would have greater than human intelligence, with superior creativity, problem-solving skills, and even social skills. It's a mind-boggling concept to think about. An ASI could solve problems that humans haven't been able to crack for centuries, like curing all diseases or achieving sustainable energy. Of course, the idea of something so powerful also raises important questions about safety and control that we need to think about now. To make all these types of AI work, scientists focus on different fields. One major field is machine learning, which is all about teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Another is natural language processing, which helps machines understand and speak human languages. Then there's computer vision, which gives machines the ability to see and interpret the world through images and videos. Robotics combines AI with engineering to build machines that can move around and perform physical tasks. Each of these fields is like a different subject in school for the AI. helping it become smarter and more capable. You might be surprised to learn that you probably use AI every single day without even realizing it. It's not just about futuristic robots. It's already a part of our daily lives in very practical ways. One of the clearest examples is the chatbot you might find on a shopping website. When you type a question into that little box asking about your order, you're often talking to an AI. This AI is trained to understand common customer questions and provide helpful answers instantly, any time of day or night. It's a great example of AI helping businesses and customers communicate more efficiently. Another amazing example that is becoming more common is the self-driving car. These vehicles use a complex system of AI to make sense of the world around them. They use cameras and sensors which act like the car's eyes and ears. The AI brain then processes all of this information to identify other cars, pedestrians, traffic lights, and road signs. It makes decisions about when to speed up, slow down, turn, and stop, all with the goal of getting you to your destination safely. This technology is a powerful combination of computer vision, machine learning, and robotics working together. Think about how you discover new music or movies. When a streaming service like Netflix or Spotify gives you a list of recommended for you, that's AI at work. The system looks at what you've watched or listened to in the past. It compares your tastes with millions of other users. Then, its machine learning algorithms make an educated guess about what other shows, movies, or songs you might enjoy. This AI acts like a personal entertainment expert, helping you sort through a massive library of content to find things you'll love. It's a smart system designed to personalize your experience. Even a simple web search uses AI. When you type a question into Google, AI algorithms work behind the scenes to understand what you're looking for. It's not just matching keywords, it's trying to figure out the intent behind your query. The AI then ranks billions of web pages to show you the most relevant and helpful results at the very top. And it does all of this in a fraction of a second. From navigating your city with a map app to having your email automatically sort out spam, AI is a silent partner that helps make our digital lives smoother, faster, and more organized. Like any powerful technology, artificial intelligence comes with a fantastic set of advantages. One of the biggest pluses is that AI systems can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without getting tired or needing a coffee break. This is incredibly useful in manufacturing or for monitoring complex systems. AI can also process information and perform tasks much faster and often more accurately than humans can. This speed and precision can lead to amazing breakthroughs in science and medicine. Furthermore, AI can take on dangerous or repetitive jobs, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. However, we also have to be thoughtful about the challenges and risks that come with AI. A major concern for many people is the impact on jobs. As AI becomes more capable, it may be able to perform tasks that are currently done by humans, which could lead to job losses in certain industries. Another serious issue is privacy. Many AI systems need large amounts of data to learn, and this raises questions about how our personal information is being collected, used, and protected. There's also the risk of bias. If an AI is trained on biased data, it can make unfair or discriminatory decisions. So why is it so important for everyone to learn about AI? Because this technology is not just coming, it's already here, and it will have a huge impact on our future society. Understanding the basics of what AI is, what it can do, and what its risks are allows us to be part of the conversation. We can help make smart decisions about how we want to use AI. We can advocate for rules and regulations that ensure it is developed safely and ethically so that its benefits are shared by everyone. Being informed means you won't be left behind as the world changes. In the end, artificial intelligence is a tool. It's one of the most powerful tools humanity has ever created. Like a hammer, it can be used to build amazing things, or it can be used in ways that cause harm. The future of AI isn't just up to the scientists and engineers who build it, it's up to all of us. By learning about it, asking questions, and thinking critically, we can all play a role in steering this incredible technology toward a future that is smarter, healthier, and more equitable for people everywhere. So get curious and let's explore this amazing field together. Science rules!